Did you know that a clean home can significantly influence buyer behavior? When potential buyers step into a property, the first impression is everything. That's where TidyTex Home Cleaning comes in. As a proud, veteran-owned business based in San Antonio, we specialize in making homes shine. Our reliable and professional cleaning services ensure that your listings stand out. Realtors, imagine the difference it can make when you prepare homes for sale with our quick turnarounds and special attention to detail. Not only do we help improve property showings, but we also assist in closing deals faster. Here's a tidy tip for realtors. Enhance a home's appeal by opening all the blinds and turning on lights before a showing. This simple trick makes the space feel brighter and more welcoming, two key factors that help buyers feel at home. We understand the importance of creating an inviting atmosphere. So, why settle for less? Contact TidyTex today to transform your listings. Check the video description for more details and reach us at app.tidytex.us, call 210-951-8206, or email admin@tidytex.us. Let's make your properties shine.